Hello, my name is Yang Yu, and I'm the lead author on this study from the University of Cincinnati Department of Dermatology in the United States. Our review is titled Changing Our Microbiome, Probiotics in Dermatology, and it presents the basic science and clinical trial data that support the role of the gut and the skin microbiome in dermatology. We review the current clinical data on the use of both oral and topical probiotics in the prevention and treatment of several skin diseases, including atopic dermatitis, acne vulgaris, psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis, chronic wounds, and cutaneous neoplasms. Why did we perform this review? Well, research on the human microbiome has greatly increased over the past decade, with applications extending into many medical specialties. However, its relevance to skin disease is less well known in the medical community. Probiotics represent an innovative approach to manipulate the skin microbiome and expand the spectrum of available treatment options for dermatologists. However, despite popularity in the media and an increasing number of scientific studies, little is known about the utility of probiotics in dermatology. Through this review, we have provided a concise summary of the available evidence intended to aid in understanding both the clinical and the basic science applicability. By searching the PubMed and clinical trials databases, we included basic science, translational research, and clinical studies that investigated the impact of oral or topical probiotics in patients with dermatologic diseases. We focused on the diseases for which studies existed that had investigated not only the differences in the cutaneous microbiome, but also the impact of probiotics in patients with the disease. We found that at this time, the total number of clinical trials that exist is still quite limited, with the exception of atopic dermatitis. Most studies utilized oral probiotics, while interventions with topical probiotics are only just beginning to be explored. In general, the available clinical studies yielded positive results with improvement of the skin conditions after probiotic intervention. Oral and topical probiotics appear to be effective, especially for treatment of certain inflammatory skin diseases, such as atopic dermatitis and acne vulgaris. They also demonstrate a promising role in wound healing and possibly skin cancer. So why is this study relevant to dermatologists and their patients? The microbiome plays an important role in dermatology because it serves as a target for new therapies and expands the spectrum of available treatment options. This continues to be a hot topic with the development of new cosmeceuticals every year containing probiotics. Thus, dermatologists should be familiar with the current literature so they may better counsel their patients. Thank you.